Gerard Havang, Gegard Manastri. First I want to say this is at listed in UNESCO. And this is not built, this is rock. Only this part small bit. But upstairs, if you go up, there door, yes, there is door.
Yes.
Inside going, it's a through rock. And okay, about what this stone. 3 of June 1975. This is from up, surprised for down.
Oh,
And
it was
here have been wedding celebration, and so here have been a lot of people, yes. But this stone nobody don't touch. And after they decided not move this stone from here. Let's go upstairs in the rock. There is echo place. Echo place is where you're speaking or singing 5 seconds, you can listen your voice. And inside monastery, when we go, you can find water, which one underground, under rock is coming, first start come 800 years ago. And 800 years, this water is flowing, not dry. It's
still flowing.
going here. Now let's go up. Very big build, yes, but you know there isn't cement or sand. How they build, you know, because in a corner when we go, you will see the metal. They drilling, filling the liquid iron, put the metal and other stone is connected like the all temple connected like this. Here there isn't cement, there isn't sandy. Stone, filling iron, liquid iron, put the metal and other also, like this, all stone.
Connection.
But what I want to say, that time, 2000 years ago, haven't been some technical, some excavator, yes, but you know, this stone is very, very hard stone. It's not look like, it's a, if sometimes you stone putting in the water going inside, yes, stone, but this stone never going water inside. It's very hard stone, and how they are made by hand, it's
made during the 1st century, so very old. The rocks here are very old, and then they are really, really hard and strong. So this is what it looks like inside. You can see there's an empty space here, but up on that ceiling